Hunt New South Wales app using GPS-enabled hunting maps on your mobile device. This video will show you how to import maps from the Hunt New South Wales app to a GPS-enabled mobile device for both PDF and KMZ map files. This app does not have the ability to act as a GPS device. You will need to use a dedicated GPS map reading app to meet your mandatory mapping requirements. Maps can be downloaded from 3 locations within the app. 1. Directly from your Hunt booking. 2. From the My Permissions tab. 3. From the Hunting Maps tab. Map files will be saved in the download section of the app and can be easily imported into mapping applications such as Avenza and Google Earth. To import a PDF map to your device, follow these simple steps. 1. Open your PDF map reading app. 2. Go to My Maps. 3. Click the plus symbol at the top of the screen. 4. Select Import Maps. 5. Select from storage locations. 6. Choose the location at the bottom of the screen and select the Hunt New South Wales folder. 7. Click on the Hunting Maps folder. 8. Choose the correct map file, then click Open. The file will automatically download to the app. To import a KMZ map to your device, follow these simple steps. 1. Open the Google Earth app. 2. Select the blue icon on the bottom left of the screen. 3. Select the New button. 4. Select Import File from Device. 5. When the browser opens, select the On My iPhone location. 6. Open the Hunt New South Wales folder. 7. Open the Hunting Maps folder. 8. Select the correct map. When the map is downloaded, it will display automatically. If you need further information about hunting maps, please email us at hunting@dpird.nsw.gov.au.